it's Zoe here today, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I stay organized as a lash artist in terms of paperwork. So as far as waivers go, as writing down the lash diameters and lengths and the curls that you use, keeping track of inventory, I'll be going over all of that and how I keep everything organized. Without further ado, let's get on to the rest of the video. Now with me, I do it half and half. As far as things that I don't need to be as easily accessible, I keep it all on paper. So my waivers and my client information cards are all on paper, and I keep it in a 2-inch ring binder that I got from Target. Starting off, I use a hole puncher, paper clips, a 2-inch ring binder, and to organize my client notes, I use the Eyelash client information cards. I like it because it has a specific place for their name, style, curl, lash thickness, etc. Also, if I have clients back to back, I know I'm not going to have time to fill out the whole sheet. So I just put down the information on my waiver so I don't forget anything. And you can also do this if you want all your information on one place and not spend the extra money on the Eyelash client information cards. Then I just hole punch them all together, paper clip them either at the bottom or the top. But it's important to alternate because you'll get like a large hump in one area. Then I just file it in alphabetical order and I'm all set. For a waiver, I just go online and I just search up eyelash extension consent form. This one, I'll leave the link down below. It just says that they're gonna agree to like wearing no mascara, no eyeliner and stuff like that, and they are liable if they don't do the proper aftercare. As you can see, when you open it up, it has the Eyelash client information card and my eyelash extension consent form paper clip together, so I could always keep track of all of my clients. I do everything on a first name basis, so if I want to look up the links that I use on my client Alyssa, I just go to here and it has her links as well as a couple of notes. I just find this a really simple way when they're coming back to their fill to just flip over and see the links. As far as my inventory goes, I have that all online just because if I'm not home, I want to be able to see like what I'm running low on, just in case like, you know, I'm at the store and I'm like, okay, maybe I should get a little bit more of this and I don't want to rely on it being paper. For online inventory with lashes, I like to use Google Sheets because it allows me to access it anywhere I have my phone or my iPad. In the first column, I put the lash lengths and diameters. In the top row, I put the curls, and right under that, I just put the amount of lashes I have for each style. Over here are all of my fanning volume lashes, and these are all mixed trays, so there is really no need to put the lengths. That's all that I do for the organization on my lashes. If you guys want to know how I take inventory for my other supplies, then let me know in the comments below.